Have you ever wondered why your desire for intimacy has taken a dip? Don't worry, in this video, we'll share valuable insights and an herbal remedy to help you feel more connected and vibrant. What are the causes of low sex drive in females? Low libido in females can stem from a variety of factors, both physical and emotional. One common cause is hormonal imbalances, which can occur due to menstrual cycles, pregnancy, or menopause. Stress and anxiety can also significantly impact desire, creating a disconnect between the mind and body. Additionally, relationship issues or a lack of emotional intimacy with a partner may lead to decreased interest. It's important to recognize that these factors are often interconnected, making it essential to address them holistically. Home remedies for low libido in females. Herbal teas. Drinking herbal teas like ginger or ginseng can improve blood circulation and invigorate your body. These natural ingredients have been used for ages to boost energy and stimulate desire. Healthy diet. Add foods rich in zinc, like nuts and seeds, into your meals. A balanced diet can improve overall health, positively influencing your libido. Adequate sleep. Prioritizing restful sleep is essential for hormonal balance and overall energy levels. Establishing a calming bedtime routine can help you wake up refreshed and more attuned to your desires. Mindfulness practices. Consider adding mindfulness techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing, into your daily routine. These practices can help reduce stress and anxiety, creating a more inviting atmosphere for intimacy. Natural supplement for low libido in females. Kamni Capsule is a natural dietary supplement designed to improve libido and promote sexual wellness in women. Formulated with a blend of Ayurvedic ingredients such as raw sindoor, nagbhasma, laubhasma, bongbhasma, and abarak bhasma, this capsule utilizes the power of traditional herbal medicine. These ingredients are celebrated for their aphrodisiac qualities, working to elevate intimate desire by balancing hormonal levels and improving blood circulation to the reproductive system. Additionally, Kamni Capsule supports vitality, fights fatigue, and boosts energy levels, all contributing to improved intimacy, health, and performance. This comprehensive approach makes it a valuable choice for women looking to improve their libido and wellness. Yoga exercises to increase libido in females. Cat-cow pose, Marjaryasana Bitalasana. This simple flow between two poses warms up the spine, releases tension, and increases blood flow to the pelvic area. As you move, focus on your breath. It can help you connect with your body and awaken your senses, creating a relaxed atmosphere for intimacy. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Elevating your hips opens up the hips and stimulates the reproductive organs. As you hold the pose, visualize energy flowing through your body, enhancing your mood and increasing feelings of closeness and desire. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. This heart-opening pose can improve circulation and boost energy levels. As you lift your chest, allow yourself to feel empowered and open. It can also help ease stress, often dampening desire, allowing for more intimacy. Child's pose, Balasana. This restorative pose helps you relax and release tension in the body. Taking a few moments in this gentle position can ground you, allowing you to reconnect with your body and emotions and fostering an environment that nurtures intimacy and closeness. For optimal results in boosting desire, combine these yoga exercises with a 3-month Kamni Capsules regimen to elevate your intimate experience. You can easily purchase Kamni Capsules from ayurvedresearch.com, ensuring a natural approach to increasing your desire and improving your wellness. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned for How to Fix Low Desire in Young Women.